Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, IANN DIOR, the funeral. Alright, so we're gonna go with the picking patterns here. We have one verse, one chorus, and that's it. We're gonna start here with the capo set on the 4th fret. With that, we have the easiest grips and melodies. So, capo on 4th, let's take a look at the verse first. So, we're gonna play like this for 3 rounds. So what I suggest you start with is your mid finger here on the 1st fret B string. You're gonna play open D, 1st B, open E, then open A. Then you hammer on the 1st A with your index finger. You keep that 1st fret on the B string here with the mid finger. Then go back to A, 1st A. Then 2nd G, and 3rd B. Alright, so this mid finger here on the 1st fret B string will be glued. So if I go over the notes again, it will be open D, 1st B, open E, open A, hammer on 1st A, 1st B, 1st A, 2nd G, and 3rd B. That part you play for 3 rounds, and on the 4th round, still in the verse, you're gonna play. So that will be 3rd on E string in the bass, open G, 3rd G, play all that again, so 3rd E, open G, 3rd G, and then open A, 2nd G, and 1st B. So that is the verse play. So again, this part you play for 3 rounds. And then on the 4th round, you're gonna play that part. And that ends 1 round of the verse. Over now to the chorus. Okay, now this scenario is to have this glued to the fretboard here, this position. That's what I do. I keep my little pinky there on the 3rd fret B string and my mid finger on the 2nd fret G string. All right, so you're gonna start with this part. Okay, so that is 1st fret on E string, 3rd B, 2nd G, then 1st E, 2 times on the 2nd fret G string. Then I use my ring finger to go up to the 3rd fret E string, and 2 times on the 2nd fret G string. Okay, so slowly. And this is the bass for the chorus, the basic part. Then we have 2 different endings. The 1st round, we're gonna take a look at that now, and then you go back and play the same part we just learned as the bass, and then go and play the 2nd ending after the 2nd round. All right, so the 1st ending now will be, keep that still there, little pinky on 3rd B and your mid finger on 2nd G. You're gonna play this part. That is the 1st ending. So 1st fret on A string now. So you move down from the E string to A now. Then 3rd B, 2nd G, then 1st A, and 2 times on 2nd G. And then you repeat that again, 1st A, and 2 times on the 2nd G. That is the 1st ending. Then you go back to the basic again. That's that part, and now you have the 2nd ending, and it goes so that is 1st on A, then 2 times on the 2nd G, then repeat all that again, first A, and 2 times on second G. And then you move over to this grip. You play 5th on A, open G, 3rd D. I repeat that again. 5th A, open G, and 3rd D. So 5th A, open G, 3rd D, 5th A, open G, 3rd D. And that was the end of the second ending. All right, so that is the chorus, and I'm gonna take you through this slowly, one round. So with the both endings there, it goes like this. First ending, back to main, and second ending, and there you have the chorus. All right, guys, so that pretty much covers IANN DIOR's The Funeral. I hope you will stay here with me. Don't go and die on me on some kind of funeral for Gordon Guitar, because Gordon Guitar will be still alive and we'll be back here for more songs. So if you appreciate this channel, feel free to subscribe here and support me in any way. I appreciate all that, guys. So till next time, play tuned.